Okay, I'm going on a road trip today, so we're gonna go over some of the English one would need for road trips. I am packing a few bags because I'm driving, so I can bring my whole house. Packing some bags.
Then we pack the car or load up the car.
Okay, we're about to head out, but first we gotta get gas. Oh, and clean the windshield. Gross.
So pop the gas cap or open the gas cap, twist it off, insert your credit card, choose if you would like a receipt or not, and then lift nozzle and choose grade. Just means pick up the nozzle where the gas comes out, choose the grade of gas. I always choose the cheapest gas, and start filling your tank. Also, on a road trip you get a lot of bugs on your windshield, so it's good to clean off your windshield. And when your tank is full, you can remove the nozzle, put it back, make sure you close the gas cap, and you're ready to go.
Alright, I just need to check the directions and we're off the open road.
And we're cruising on the interstate. An interstate is a big highway that goes through lots of states here in the US. And you're sure to run across road construction. This is down to one lane here. Super fun times.
Okay, this is called a rest area. It's just provided by the state, and you can go to the bathroom. You can also get your picture taken by the state sign. It's pretty nice. You got your bathrooms, you got your picnic tables, you can walk around. I really love a good rest area.
On a road trip, you are sure to run across lots of semi-trucks. Make sure you pass them on the left quickly.
I am in the middle of Nebraska. Well, I'm so hungry, and the only thing here is I'm gonna have to do it. I'm gonna have to go get some fries.
You're also sure to see tourist traps, which are places you could stop. You would need to pay money to go in and see it. This is one of them. It's a bridge over a highway. Never been in.
All right, I am in the middle of nowhere. In the middle of nowhere is a term we use to mean far away from any, which means there's a whole lot of land with not much going on. The middle of nowhere.
Another road trip tradition is to stock up on road snacks. Tons of snacks at gas stations to munch on, keep you awake. And when you arrive, you need to visit your family, visit your friends, chill out, have some fun, and then drive back home.
And of course, we always have to come back home. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please click subscribe and the like button, and we'll see you next time. Bye.